Welcome to ExpertEase AI. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a powerful AI chat agent with a custom workflow to automate lead generation for your business. You'll learn how to build a lead generation chatbot that can qualify potential customers, capture their information, and automatically book appointments. Let's get started. In this example, the chatbot will engage with visitors through a friendly introduction, qualify leads by asking relevant questions, capture customer contact details, automatically schedule an appointment for follow-up. All of this can be automated using our AI chat agent. First, let's create the chat agent. I'll name this bot Lead Generation Agent. The role will be lead generation, and the remaining settings can stay as default. Once the bot is created, you'll be redirected to the bot dashboard, where you can manage configurations, knowledge base, and conversations. Next, go to the Workflows tab. Here you'll see several pre-built workflow templates for different use cases such as customer support, receptionist bots, or booking systems. For this tutorial, we'll create a custom workflow. Scroll down and click Create Custom Workflow. Start by giving your workflow a name and description. For this example, workflow name is Lead Generation and workflow description, Qualifying and Nurturing Potential Customers. Now we can begin designing the workflow steps. The first step is initial contact. This is where the chatbot introduces itself as a representative of ExpertEase AI and briefly explains the services we offer. The goal is to welcome the user and start the conversation in a friendly and professional way. The next step is lead qualification. Here, the chatbot asks more in-depth questions to determine whether the visitor is a good fit for our services. For example, it may ask about their business needs project requirements, budget expectations. This helps ensure that only qualified leads move forward. After qualifying the lead, the chatbot will collect contact information. In this step, the bot asks for name, email address, phone number. This information allows us to follow up with the potential customer later. To store the information, we add a function node called Capture Lead. This connects the chatbot to a lead management system so that all captured details are saved automatically. The final step is appointment booking. After collecting the lead's details, the chatbot asks the user for their availability and schedules a meeting. To enable this feature, we connect the workflow to a calendar integration, such as Google Calendar. Go to the Integration tab in your dashboard. Select Calendar and connect your Google Calendar account. This only takes a few seconds. Once connected, return to the workflow and attach the calendar scheduling tool. Now the chatbot can automatically book meetings based on your availability. Once all steps are completed, save the workflow and attach it to your chatbot. Your automated lead generation system is now ready. To test it, click Chat with Agent. For example, let's say I want to create a family law chatbot. As the conversation progresses, the AI follows the workflow step by step. It asks about your needs, qualifies the request, collects your contact information, provides a meeting booking link. The booking link is where you can view all the meeting details, including the guest email and a summary of the conversation, which are automatically added to your calendar. To verify the captured lead, go to the Leads tab in the bot dashboard. Here you'll see the user's name, phone number, and email, all automatically recorded. And that's it. With this workflow, your chatbot can qualify leads automatically, helping you turn the website visitors into real customers. Thanks for watching.